Today's a nice day. Oops, that was an accident. That never happened. We're just gonna forget that ever happened. Because, it didn't actually happen. You guys just, are going ballistic. Here, I'll put this other one on my desk so we can review them. Oops, I tripped on that one too. Oops, I keep tripping on fire alarms. That's not very good. Oh, it'll be fine. They're just fire alarms. They ain't real. Yeah, forget about them. Just leave them out there in the rain. Ten hours later. Okay, I'm back on. So today we're gonna who cares? That's it. I'm not filming anymore. I'm ending my career. Stupid. You know what? Who needs anything? Nothing's alive. Who needs security cameras, right? Oh, there. Not alive.